You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I know it confuses a lot of people, so let's clarify it. If you want to learn more names from literature, stay tuned. I've got more pronunciations video you'll want to learn from. Pronounced in German, which I believe is the original language, even though, they stay in Switzerland, but a French-speaking part of Switzerland. But yes, in Switzerland they do speak German in some parts. Frankenstein would be the German pronunciation. It does look very German. Frankenstein is how it's said in German, so if you want to say it that way, that's fine, although the novel is definitely English, all right? It was written by an English author, Mary Shelley, and in English it's pronounced Frankenstein. Frankenstein, okay? So that's how it's pronounced in English. So I believe the author, Mary Shelley, would have said it herself as Frankenstein, so probably pronounce it more as Frankenstein, or unless you want to have a bit of fun and say it as Frankenstein, which I quite like too. But now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.